The 5 vowels, we have A, E, I, O, and E. They are the short vowels of the alphabet. Now, we have here the short vowels. We have A, E, I, O, E. As you can see, above each vowel has a designated symbol. These are the symbol of the short vowel. Okay. Now, we proceed on the short vowel E. This one is E. This is the symbol of short vowel E. We say E, E, E. As you can see, you have to produce a soft smile. E, E. Short vowel E found also in the word elbow. Elbow. In the word elbow, short vowel E is the beginning sound. You say elbow. Elbow. Okay. Short vowel E found also in the CVC bed. 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 E is the medial sound of the CVC bed. Bed. Next, we have here the CVC red. 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 We have here another. We have hen. 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 Another one. Net. 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 On the next following day, I am going to upload again the short vowel E. E. Okay, do not hesitate again to say the word, to say the short vowel E. E. With a soft smile. E. E. Thank you for viewing. God bless.